Hello everyone, this tutorial is about how to make a easy way to a haunted house. First of all, I make some basic shape. It's a rectangular three shape in a row, next to one another, and then I make some ceiling top of the rectangular shape. The normal basic house shape. Then I touch on the top of the rectangular shape and doing the same things. And this is the door parts, and make some shadows. So it's a classical door in every house, and it's a old ancient house, and make a horrible tree, and it will be dark. So I will make a moon behind the house. Okay, and there's some stair in front of the house, and okay, and there's a grass on the field and some pants on the ground, two pillar, and make a basic windows, broken windows, because of its old houses, and obviously make a ghost. Then I use 4B pencil to make outlines whole house, and yeah. So after making some basic shape, now we add some bricks on the ceiling, and so you have to look all the things, and we draw some straight line. That means it's a wooden house, and make some shadows. It will look so scary. It will be scary night. It's a ghost or a desired ghost. Okay, this tree will be scary. And finally we'll draw the pants and make some muddy, and there's a cross sign, so everything have to look scary. And finally we'll draw the black shadow, the outer part of the moon, and this is the outline of moon. And yeah, so this is the look, and I have get some pen with the pen outline making, and it will be scary nights, haunted house. I raised something. That's the final look, and subscribe for next update. Thank you.